Have you ever wondered what could be the mysterious trigger behind the devastating Alzheimer's disease? Recent findings might just bring us closer to uncovering this enigma. Picture this: a vast network of cells in your brain, working tirelessly, each playing its unique role. Among these cells are a type known as microglia. These are the brain's very own immune cells, acting as steadfast guardians, protecting the brain against infection and injury. But what if these protective cells turn rogue? A recent study led by the University of Washington suggests just that. Using brain autopsy samples from 22 individuals, 12 with Alzheimer's and 10 without, researchers delved into the gene activity of microglia. They discovered fascinating differences in the behavior of these immune cells in the brains of those with Alzheimer's compared to those without. The researchers identified 10 different clusters of microglia in the brain tissue. Intriguingly, one cluster was more common in people with Alzheimer's. This cluster had genes turned on that are involved in inflammation and cell death. So, instead of acting as protectors, these microglia were behaving more like saboteurs, producing inflammatory molecules that can damage brain cells. In essence, the microglia in the brains of people with Alzheimer's were more likely to be in a pre-inflammatory state, a state that might be contributing to the progression of the disease. This groundbreaking research opens up new avenues in the quest for treatments for Alzheimer's disease. By understanding the behavior of microglia, scientists may be able to develop ways to redirect these cells back to their protective roles, or at least halt their destructive tendencies. So, to summarize, this recent study indicates that microglia, the brain's immune cells, may play a significant role in Alzheimer's disease. These cells, in their pre-inflammatory state, could contribute to the progression of the disease by producing inflammatory molecules that damage brain cells. It's a fascinating insight, isn't it? A cell designed to protect could potentially be a key player in causing harm. This is why continued research is so crucial in the fight against Alzheimer's disease. As our understanding deepens, the possibilities for treatment become broader and more promising. Remember, every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the complex puzzle that is Alzheimer's disease. And who knows, the next big breakthrough could be just around the corner. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.